How to secure your Acorns account. Welcome back everyone to a new video on Howgenic. If you want to keep your accounts of Acorns secure, there are a few things that you can do. The first thing is you'll need to create a strong and unique password. A strong and unique password is a complex password that comprises of numbers, letters, and special characters. So if you create a strong password as well as use a password manager, you can keep your Acorns accounts secure. The second thing that you can do is enable two-factor authentication. This step is useful so that you can prevent unauthorized access. In order to change your password and turn on the two-factor authentication, let's head over to the app of Acorns. Once you're inside of the app of Acorns, head over to the profile section on the top left of the screen. Once you're here, it's going to show you your name that you have on your Acorns app. Head over to the settings option. Inside of my settings, you're going to see a bunch of different options. The first thing is you can change your password and create a strong one. So inside of the device section, you'll see the option called change password. This way you'll be able to create a new password, as I said, which comprises of numbers, letters, and special characters. Secondly, in order to turn on the two-factor authentication, you'll need to tap on the personal info option on the top and then head over to the contact info. Inside of the contact info section, you'll see the option called unverified, meaning that your account has not yet enabled two-factor authentication. Just tap on the unverified option and then follow the on-screen prompts. Lastly, you'll get a 6-digit verification code on your phone number. You just need to enter in the code that has been sent and your two-factor authentication will be enabled. You'll also get an email notifying that the 2FA now has been enabled on your Acorns account. So those are the two things that you can do in order to secure your account of Acorns. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you in the next one.